Hello everyone, welcome to a little bicycle thing. I'm gonna do a little video of this while I'm bicycling. I got pretty much 10 minutes left until the guy we're supposed to meet is gonna come out. My knee is not better, but I just want to do bicycling, so that's what I want to do. That's what I'm gonna go to do. So yeah, let's do it. It like perfectly on the steer, so if I hump too much or bumping too much, I will actually end up falling. So this can be fun. And now we're actually almost at the school, at my school. But as I said, it's not gonna take. This video is not gonna be for like 10 minutes or something. Just something I really want to do. And if you ask yourself, no, I'm not going to go. Okay, and it's raining, as you can see. I don't know if you can see clearly, but I hope you can see at all. But yeah, it's raining like a bitch. This is where he lives. No address for you. He's not out yet. So, I just want to make a big shout out. Reach 6 subscribers. By the time I was checking it like a lot of times. I don't know. My quick scope video and triple kill, 3 in 1 kill cam with the MSR Modern Warfare 3. It got like shit now. It's now on 56 views. See it? And I just found out, I don't know, fake or something, but I just found out that I got some people from Venezuela, Italia, watching my videos. So, merci. And can I say merci or merci? I don't know, but that's all I know. I don't think that is Italian at all. I think it's France. So now I'm at the school. It's a bit boring school, but it's probably the Norway's finest school and prettiest school. Probably, I don't know if it's the best school, but yeah, there's something saying about that. So yeah, I'm lucky to go there. And that's actually where I met this guy I'm gonna meet. His name is Nakti. That's how we say his name. His whole name is Mohammed. A lot of people have this name Mohammed this year, so but yeah, I'm not gonna be any racist in this video, so yeah. Just bicycling a little bit. It's not promising that this video will be up. I probably have to render something out that you will be probably gonna be able to see. We've gone out for I don't know how long, but we're gonna check again and see if it's bad. So yeah, I cannot brake now because now I have to hold it with one hand, the other hand, the right hand, and if I brake I will actually end up doing a front flip maybe. Okay, it's gonna